Have you ever noticed how most AI strategies aren't strategies at all? They're slide decks, buzzwords, or lists of use cases, and none of them actually help leaders understand how AI fits into the enterprise. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Organizations aren't failing at AI because of the technology. They're failing because they don't have a clear, unified narrative that links AI to the enterprise transformation they actually need. So in this video, I want to show you a practical solution, something you can create quickly, use immediately, and present confidently, and that is the AI strategy brief. It's the first artifact in the AI execution system, and it gives you the clarity and leadership edge that most organizations are missing. So let's break this down step by step. Right now, AI is exploding across organizations. Teams are running pilots everywhere, vendors are promising miracles, and everyone is pushing for quick wins. But here's the problem. Those AI pilots, they stay siloed, disconnected from strategy, governance, and enterprise priorities. And leaders end up with noise instead of progress. And the organization can't see any coherent story about where AI is going. And when there's no story, there's no alignment. And when there's no alignment, nothing scales. And when nothing scales, AI stays as a set of experiments, not a transformation. That's the situation most organizations are in right now. Think about what happens next. Leaders begin to lose confidence. AI teams start firefighting. Risk teams pull the handbrake on things. And somewhere between the novelty and the confusion, you realize that nobody can answer the simple question. What exactly is our AI strategy? Not the technology, not the tools, not the pilots, the strategy. And without that answer, every AI initiative becomes a negotiation. Every risk becomes a debate, and every project becomes a gamble. This is why organizations stall with AI. This is why people resist. And this is why AI remains theater instead of transformation. You can't fix this with more training. You can't fix it with another pilot. You fix this by creating the one thing that aligns everyone around a shared narrative, an AI strategy brief. Now let me walk you through the 6 steps. Step 1 is from siloed projects to enterprise transformation. This is where you begin by reframing AI as enterprise-wide transformation and not a collection of pilots. This is where you shift from tool talk to leadership direction. Your job here is to define your AI positioning, why AI matters now, what's at stake, and how it ties to enterprise-level value. Step 2 is linking AI transformation to strategic priorities. You anchor AI to real business priorities. You avoid the trap of isolated pilots by linking AI to strategic goals and people impacts. This is where you clarify which use cases actually matter and why. Step 3 is anticipating your transformation readiness. Now you address the risks early, both strategic and human. This is where your AI strategy brief gains credibility. You show that you've considered adoption, governance, and alignment challenges from day one, not after the fact. Step 4 is framing transformation pilots as proof points. Instead of novelty projects, you define pilots that act as proof points. And these proof points demonstrate relevance, value, adoption, and scalability. This is how you earn trust and momentum. Step 5 is about finalizing your AI strategy brief. Then you bring it all together into a clear, coherent narrative, not a document full of fluff, but an executive-ready brief that shows leadership, clarity, and strategic thinking. Step 6 is about advancing your AI leadership journey, because the strategy brief is only the beginning. Once you have it, you can build the other artifacts that make up the full AI execution system, the system that turns AI vision into AI impact. Now, if you'd like to create your own AI strategy brief without guesswork, you can join the free 5-day AI Transformation Challenge. You'll get the full strategy brief template, access to our custom GPT that helps you create use cases, and a short lesson each day to help you build it with confidence. The link is below this video. Take the challenge, build your brief, and join the leaders who are moving way beyond AI noise and into AI execution.